Hi, I'm Christine Wheaton. I'm a makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to do sexy and smoky Arabic-inspired eye makeup. We're going to start by applying a base on the eyes. It's a skin color base. And I'm just going to apply it on her lids. This basically will help it to stay on longer, not crease, and the colors will be more vibrant. If you don't already use a base, I would definitely go out and get one because it's probably one of the most important things to use when you're doing eye makeup. Definitely makes a big difference. I'm going to use a copper color on her lid, which is going to be really bright and pretty. And I like to pat it on, and that gives more color deposit. So I just pat it instead of swiping it. Now I'm going to go into her crease with a darker color for that smoky look. I'm going to start in the outer corners and work my way in. So little short movements, little tiny circles, that's going to give you the most blended, even look. Then I'm going to take a light gold and put it on the inner corner of her eyes. And I'm going to use that same gold as an eyebrow highlight up here. Now we're going to go for that Arabic eyeliner, which will be really pretty. I'm going to use a gel liner, and this helps me to control it a little bit better than a liquid. So I'm going to start on the outer and work my way in and back and forth. I kind of rotate. I'm going to do a pretty thick line since I want it to be noticeable. And I'm going to wing it out. So on this side, I like to start on the outer and bring it in. It'll take a little bit of practice to get the lines to be the same and even. Open. Now I like to get the inner corners of the eye too, so look that way and a little bit down. So right in here, just to make sure it's complete. The other way, down. So right in there, make sure that's kind of complete and it makes the look more solid. And there you go. That's how you do an Arabic-inspired smoky eye. We use the black in the creases, gold on the lid, and that line, which definitely makes it. Thank you for watching. I'm Christine Wheaton.